Welcome to a special edition of Beauty Buzz, Sephora Savings Event Edition. Whoever gets the most points in the end wins a Dyson. Where else can you shop the Sephora Savings Event other than online or in store? Okay, that was Carla.
Sephora at Kohl's.
Kohl's, we would have also accepted DoorDash. What are the 3-tier names? Hope.
Insider, VIB, Rouge.
That is correct. How many points do you need to be a Rouge?
1,000.
Yes, that was good.
I'm a proud Rouge member.
So this one's a little tougher, so get your thinking caps on. When can Rouge shop the sale? Oh, Hope.
Rouge can shop the sale for...
That's time's up. Okay, so that was 3 seconds. Carla, you can steal this from her.
November 3rd, I don't know.
You both got that one wrong. You're fired.
I did not do my homework on this one.
It is November 1st through November 11th.
I was so close and I was guessing.
You were close. How much does Rouge get off their basket?
20%. Oh, it's
Yes.
20%? Yes.
Yes,
It's
that's
20%, Bob.
How many people besides you can use your Rouge discount?
Your friends and family, too? I don't know.
Wrong.
Up to 10?
Wrong. The answer is one other person can use the
I didn't know you could do that.
Do I even work
new?
here?
How many points do you need to be a VIB?
500.
1,000.
Oh my God!
Back to me, give it back to me.
I'll let you triple steal.
250.
The answer is 350. The thing is, you're both Rouges, so you don't.
know.
You far past 350
Haven't been
points.
a
That
part
was
of
about
that
10
life in a
years ago.
minute.
I know you're not going to get this one. When can BI and VIB shop the sale?
November 3rd through November 11th.
Close, but not the answer. Carlo.
November 5th through the 11th.
Yes!
Period.
Only because I got
least
it
you
wrong.
did. You did. You
that
did.
She got it right.
How many savings events are there in 1 year?
2.
Yes. Correct. Point goes to Carla. I think you both are going to know this one. Possibly. Maybe not. Your track records aren't doing you well. Which brand does every tier get 30% off during the event? Yes.
Sephora collection.
Oh, see, I
knew
knew
this.
you were going to
Yeah.
get. Point to Hope. What does BOPIS stand for? Carla.
Buy online, pick up in store.
That is right. What does SDD stand for?
Same day delivery.
Oh, she's fast with that buzzer.
I just put mine in today.
Finally, the answer that everyone wants to know, the final question. Can you stack the promo discount on top of products that are already marked down? Hope.
Yes.
Yes!
Save.
It's called the savings event
Yeah,
for a reason.
Okay, so the points have been tallied. Hope, you came in with a whopping 4. And Carla, you came in with a tremendous 6. So you are the grand winner.
Where's my Dyson?
Are you so excited?
Yes, I'm excited for big hair and big savings.
Big savings for Carla and for everyone else. Make sure you get on to the Sephora Savings event.
Let me hold it.
Yeah.
Just
Run, girl, run!